Alright, here's the 96. Starter clutch back in. Turn on the key. Click to run. See, we can get a little puff of the smoke out of the exhaust every now and then. The battery is charged. If I put it on choke, it cranks over slower, but the exact same thing does nothing. When I give it a throttle and hold the throttle, you see it puffs more. It's in neutral. Let's see. There's a side with all the wires and the pump. Here's wires here. Nothing's pinched. Nothing's pinched here wire-wise. That goes up into the cover here. And I've changed nothing basically on the motor. So I heard the first time turn on the key, the fuel pump clicked to start. The clicking, click, 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 like it was getting ready to pump. Well, let's see if anybody can diagnose that. Try and get this up on YouTube.